Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the NVIDIA Installer Cannot Continue issues on your Windows. Let's begin. First, you need to access your services. Go over here, click on it, type services, then we need to look for task scheduler. So you can just simply type task and it will automatically put you on that section, right click, and then click on refresh. Once done, close services. Then we need to go to registry editor. Look for it. This one. You need to look for or click on H key local machine. Then go to system. Then current control set. All right. And then services. Over here, there's going to be a long list of a bunch of folders. You just need to look for or tap the letter T because we need to look for this time broker SVC, all right? So once you selected the folder on here, right click on start or double click on it. The value data, make sure it is selected or it's number 3. Okay. Once done and confirmed, click on OK, restart your PC, and everything should now be working smoothly and normally. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.